Alright guys, welcome back. I found out the hard way earlier today that some of these GoPro things are not really to the quality we're expecting. Anyways, I figured with our last video, the 2026 Chicago World of Wheels, or Rosemont more specifically, maybe we'll introduce the C10 on the channel. There was one kind of teaser short about it, if you guys have been watching and following along, but here it is. So it's a 1966 Chevy C10, 8-point cage. Definitely not done. Lots of electronic spaghetti going on down there. But Motion Raceworks operator shifter. Got a nice fire extinguisher. Steering wheel with wireless CarTech. That's pretty cool. If you don't know what it is, we'll explain it later on, but that CarTech stuff is pretty sweet. We had a CO2 shifter kit, Motion Raceworks, and a 355, so standard bore small block Chevy, 30 over, all forged bottom end, IRC intake scoop, Motion Raceworks catch can, eBay covers, headers, CPP motor mounts, PowerMaster alternator, electronic water pump. One of the cool things about this truck is it's got a Mercedes hydroelectric power steering system, so in the cab I can turn power steering on and off, you know, in case you're in the lanes or want to save some power for maybe a pass. But also it's got a Nitrous Express plate kit on it, a Holley Sniper. This is a Super Sniper, so it's got 800cc injectors in it. Yeah, TCI, TFI, TFO, FTI, turbo 400, standard gears, 373 rear gear. So we're hoping to make like 500 naturally aspirated on a 250 shot. Maybe we'll get a 10-second pass out of it. Who knows? But NRG interior, lots of dust. But we got cup holders. So maybe someday we'll do a drag and drive, sick week, hot rod power tour, something of that nature. Shaved firewall. Shout out Al, he welded that in for me. Looks pretty clean. New glass. Shout out Will, he put that in for me. Everything else I pretty much did, minus the welding on the cage. That was done by a guy named Robert Frost. Apparently he's a state of Illinois pipeline worker. But 20-gallon fuel cell, Motion Raceworks cap, leaf springs, and a 12-bolt. Excess power, 14-volt system, heater opener, tools all over the place because it's not finished. So, you know, it looks pretty good for now. It's got that red, white, and blue patina Oh, I guess we talk about camshaft. Nothing crazy. It's like a 580 lift, 580 exhaust, something like that. But GMSS fab fender covers. We obviously took the hinges and everything off of the hood. We're not going to run one. Who cares? It's a race truck. But so we made this whole radiator support area so we could do things down here. Electric fan, Griffin radiator. I originally started with some normal headers, but everything wanted to go down into the frame. So what I ended up doing is buying a flange plate and a set of headers. Where are they? Over there. They're up top. And cut them both off, and then made it so that we can run that style with a full-size tire and range of motion. So all that stuff's pretty cool. Everything's pretty dusty and dirty right now. I don't know if you can hear the rain, but we'll get a little more in depth at some point, because this whole truck is ran off of Holley 7-inch digital dash, the normal handheld NX switch panel, long acre switch panels for everything else, but there's no electronics right now. So I'm in process of rewiring this entire truck, because wiring is the most important thing on this old school stuff, especially if we want to use your old frame and then put all sorts of crazy new electronics in it. You know, make sure your grounds are good, powers are good, everything's going to where it needs to go. And when I first wired the truck up, even though it ran and did some things, there was a little bit of sputtering and blah 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 blah. But you always want good electrical connections. What are you gonna do? So anyways, I guess that's kind of my introduction to the C10 to the channel. You guys let me know what you think. Just some steel wheels. Oh, there's some exhaust cutouts too. Turn the decibels up and down if you want. Should we get it finished? Should we do some races? Should we hunt for that 10? That's really what we're looking for. Just kind of a street truck. Something we can drive around and go to shows and do whatever with on the weekends. Maybe the lady will ride with me at some point. Maybe. Either way, appreciate you guys sticking around and seeing what we're doing. Ripping 365. Welcome the 66 C10 to the channel.